Hey, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever experienced that heart-stopping moment when you drop your phone? You know, that split second where you're praying the screen isn't shattered? Well, today we're diving into whether the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the answer to our clumsy phone-dropping prayers. Let's kick things off by introducing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's latest flagship model. This device is not just your average smartphone, it's all about durability. With advancements in technology, Apple claims this phone is their most robust yet, but doesn't live up to the hype. Let's address the elephant in the room: cracked screens. It's a common issue we all face, and it's frustrating. We constantly need a phone that can handle our daily mishaps. Enter the iPhone 16 Pro Max, promising to be tougher than ever before. But can it really withstand the inevitable drops and bumps of everyday life? Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty details. What sets the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart in terms of durability? From the materials used to the specific design elements, Apple has put a lot of thought into making this phone more robust. We're talking about reinforced glass, stronger than any previous model, stronger frames, built to absorb and dissipate impact, overall sturdier construction, designed to endure everyday wear and tear. But will these features make a noticeable difference in real-life scenarios? Here comes the moment of truth, the climax. We're going to reveal some test results and real-life scenarios showcasing the iPhone 16 Pro Max's ability to take a hit. From drop tests to impact resistance, let's see if this phone truly lives up to its durable reputation. Get ready to be impressed. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be the most durable iPhone yet. With its focus on strength and resilience, it's a promising contender for those in need of a sturdy device. From everyday drops to unexpected accidents, this phone is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Share your own experiences with iPhone durability in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.